The light-stimulated conversion of 11 cis-retinal to 11 transretinal is central to the vision process in humans. This reaction also occurs more slowly in the absence of light. At 80 degrees Celsius in heptane solution, the reaction is first order with a rate constant of 1.02 times 10 to the negative 5 per second. What is the molarity of 11 cis-retinal after 5 hours if its initial concentration is 3.40 times 10 to the negative 3 molar? So this problem is an integrated rate law problem, and it says here that the order of the reaction is first order. So the integrated rate law for a first order reaction is ln of A, that's equal to ln of A naught minus KT. Now let's define the terms quickly. A is the final concentration. A naught is the initial concentration. K is the rate constant. And T is the time. Okay, now let's substitute the values into the equation. So ln, so in this problem, we are not given the final concentration because it's the missing one. So just put ln of A equal to ln, the initial concentration is given, which is 3.40 times 10 to the negative 3. That's molar, minus the rate constant given is 1.02 times 10 to the negative 5 per second. So 1.02 times 10 to the negative 5 per second. And then the given time is 5 hours. But if you can see, the given rate constant is in per second. So what you need to do is you need to convert first 5 hours into seconds. So we know that for every 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. And for every 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. So that's 5 times 60 times 60. That's equal to 18,000 seconds. So that is our time. 18,000 seconds. So if you solve the right side of the equation in your calculator, so ln 3.4 times 10 to the negative 3 minus 1.02 times 10 to the negative 5 times 18,000, you will get approximately negative 5.868. Now, if you want to remove the ln so that you can solve for the final concentration, what you do is e raised to negative 5.868. So look for e in your calculator. So that's e raised to negative 5.868. And that's approximately equal to 2.83 times 10 to the negative 3. And since this is final concentration, the unit is molar. So this is the answer to the question.